guys, it is June 24th, 2020. So now we're gonna call, guys got two ACs. And both of them don't seem to be working. One of them needs wiring, he said, whatever that means. That's usually not a good sign when they start saying it needs to be rewired or wiring's not hooked up or something. I mean, you never know. Supposedly he just bought this house and both systems aren't running. So we're gonna go over there and sometimes these can get quite interesting.
Turn right on Chase Road.
But we'll try to get you some shots if I can. Newer customer, I believe. Video, how you doing, Mama?
With 1/4 mile, turn right on Chase Road.
Where did Mom put the...
Yeah, so a 58.
I just said don't be grabbing.
Mom, look, let's go sit on the car.
58, that's pretty good. It is working. We'll get the other one working. I mean, the pressures and stuff aren't perfect, but it's been working. It's working like that. The problem is to work on that unit. They got it up inside the joist up there. And if you ever have to work on it, you can't even get it out because they kind of put the unit up there. They shouldn't put it up there in that. They should have lowered it so you could pull the coil and the fan out. I mean, the way they have it with the joist there, it's never an issue. You can't slide the pieces out.
Yeah, see,
Because
like,
where it is up there. But this one is working. We'll get started. I see the wires that are chewed on the other side. We'll replace them and then we'll try that. Where's this unit on this side? Same. I did open the cover. I did take this cover off, but you can see these mice have been chewing on it. I gotta replace this thermostat wire. At least that. It's off inside. And we'll run a new thermostat wire to there and then we'll try it. Looks like that capacitor's junk. It's puffy. You're gonna jump these wires out because it's off inside, but this is a direct short if it's running. We don't want to touch these wires together. See if we can get a wire in there. Be good until the mice get it. Be good until the mice get it again. Looks like the mice had been eating this thing, the wiring.
great. Not surprised to hear that though.
Well, hopefully it's not a big deal. We'll find out.
Lower down.
Well, we don't want to turn it on yet. Let's
Yeah.
give it a minute. Can't be without AC now. Excuse me?
Yeah, that cut the wire.
So it can't work with the cut wire, right?
Right, and we're hopeful that...
Well, this low voltage, This low voltage, when it runs inside, it pulls this unit in. So if these lines are all chewed, it's not going to work so well.
Right. Do you have a sense with the other one, like when you're saying, you know, the Freon's like, and upstairs, like if it needed work, it's obviously.
It's running. Everything's, you know, everything's going to work the way it is. I mean, it's been running like that since. It's probably been running like that since they put it in.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's working. It's not ideal. Things aren't always perfect out there in the real world.
Oh yeah, the house we lived in before this was older, and nothing was standardized. Anybody who came to work in it was like, this is not where I was expecting this to be.
Yeah, so everything's kind of mismatched and just kind of poggled together, right?
Yep. And even those like studs of the house are not even how it may or may not last, or is it just one of those things?
There's no
where
way
you-
of telling.
Yeah. Okay.
I mean, it's an older system. It's working, it's cooling.
Right.
You know, it's probably been working like that since they put it in. It could be mismatched equipment. It's not the
Okay.
proper equipment, and you know, it's all within guidelines, and it's going to work like that.
Yep.
Let me see if I get this one fixed.
Pretty awesome.
All right, why don't you go ahead and turn it on, and we'll see what happens. Go ahead and turn it on in the house and turn the cooling down, and we'll see if it pulls in. Bad capacitor. See, it's not starting. Got a bad capacitor. Okay, she just pulled it in. See, it's not starting. Got a bad capacitor here. Pull the disconnect and we'll check it. I think we got a bad capacitor. Looks puffy to me. Yeah, it didn't start, so I think it's just capacitor's bad.
You need to turn it off while you're
Yeah, why don't you go ahead and
doing stuff to it?
go ahead and shut it on the low voltage just for be safe. I got the disconnect pulled, but low voltage is off now. So compressor's brown. Compressor is orange. And then the other two are the common. That's the fan. That one's the fan. Got them backwards. He had this one on the fan. That should be the common with the white. And then the other brown, he's got a rescue motor on this thing. That's the common. Oh, it's puffy. 45.5. We got one in the truck. We'll put it on. That should take care of that. Alright. 45.5. So this is the compressor, which is the 3-prong. Orange. This one here is the common, which is the 4-prong. And then these two go in the solid brown one should be the fan. He had that backwards, and then this one should go on the common. It's got a rescue motor there. And we'll see if that does the trick. That should do it. Look at the rescue motor he's got. Flipping this hack job. We'll see if it starts now. It should. Well, the fan's blowing the wrong way, so I have to switch those. Alright, I pulled the disconnect again. The fan's blowing the wrong way, so I'm going to switch to 2. I'm going to switch these 2. And then that might change the fan direction. So this brown, solid brown one's going to go on the common. And this one with the white stripes is going to go on the fan connection. And we'll see if the fan spins in the right direction this time. That's the way he had it wired. Yeah. Now it's blowing the right way. Alright, just by switching those 2 browns around, we'll change the fan direction. Alright, she's going to turn it on and we're going to check the charge. Compressor didn't start that time, just the fan did. I'm gonna have to put a hot start on it if I got one. Could also change the direction here with this thing, these wires. The capacitor was bad. Alright, so now we got it up and running. I'll check the charge now. Sounding so hot, is it? Running. Suction pressure, it's R22. I'm alright with a superheat at 10. This looks like it's might be a little bit overcharged there. This looks like it's overcharged. I'm gonna take a little out. See if we can bring this down. Bring that up a little. Come off the high side. Dump some liquid out of the high side, bring that, dumping it into the tank. Get the subcooling around 10. Overcharged. Dumping some of it in the recovery tank. This is a 22 system, I'm sure of it. Alright, so so it's running the piston, so right around 25 is what we're looking for the superheat. Suction pressure's good at 71. That's good. That'll be my final right there. This one here I did check also. Temperatures and pressures are kind of questionable, but it's running and cooling.